You got me going there.
The night before. Hopefully I can try to get some footage. We're going to be cramming a lot of work in a little amount of time.
We're running around like chickens with our heads cut off in the morning.
Yeah, we're going to have to get up early in the morning. I'm going to try to get you guys out there so you can see what we're doing. But this is the night before, and we're trying to get everything planned out. So, here's what we're trying to plan out for his exhaust. We've got his big old fart can sitting over there. So we're trying to figure out how we're going to cut all the piping out and try to utilize as much as we can from his car. And then I've got a bunch of piping out in the backyard. Oh, it's actually on the side of my garage. So we're trying to figure out, with this new piece of pipe that he's got and his mufflers and all the angles that I have, trying to figure out how we're going to cut and weld everything together.
Before we actually get out there and do it. So
Before we do it.
Some time.
Yeah. So that's trying to get it all planned out now, so we can try to cram it all in tomorrow morning in 4 hours. Actually, probably a little bit less than 4 hours, but
yeah.
So
scary.
Yeah.
Super scary.
Yeah. All right. Well, see you in the morning. Show you guys real quick. Yes, I understand. I've got music playing in the background. I'll try to make this short and sweet. Got flange cut off for where the cat originally went off of the old J pipe. So now we got to figure out what angles we need. There's the mufflers, the big bad beasts, Y pipe. So let's get to it. working on his exhaust. It was pouring down rain yesterday, absolutely miserable, soaked from head to toe, both of us. Ended up having a time issue because Mr. Stevie B. Random here had his upper tonsils taken out.
No, wisdom teeth.
I mean, yeah, wisdom teeth, not tonsils. My bad. Had his wisdom teeth taken out, so he had to leave, and we were rushing to get things done. Didn't have time to put a new battery in this thing. So, day 2, round 2, let's get it finished up. Okay? Alright, that works. So here's the moment of truth. She's on the ground, but the bad thing is
It's low.
she's low. We're gonna have to readjust those hangers and bring it up a little bit, quite a bit actually. So wish us luck on that. But here's the first startup. Whew.
That's so loud.
That is loud. Wow, that is loud. Whew. Scraping.
Bad.
Alright, we're in the car now.
You still recording?
Yeah, I am now.
Oh. Scrape. You're just scraping that whole time up the hill?
Yeah. It really does. It likes that free flow exhaust.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I didn't get any leaks. Didn't hear any at all.
You know how droney it is inside here, though?
Well, I mean, it was about the same way with the exhaust you had on it to begin
Yeah,
with.
but that was also right under the back seat. This is all the way out the back now, and it still drones that much in the cabin. Yeah. That's because it's idling real low. Here we go. Ready?
Oof, woof, oof.
Yeah.
I mean, at least the mufflers don't scrape. It's just that mid pipe that scrapes.
Ooh.
Ah.
Your neighbors probably love me right now.
Ooh. My neighbors always love us.
I know it.
If you like our videos, hit that like and subscribe button down below. It's free. Check out his channel. Links will be in the description. Stevie B. Random and Naive Steve. Stevie B. Random and Naive Steve. Ooh, your nipples are hard.
It's cold in here.
So hit that like and subscribe button down below. It's free. Click it. Click it, click it, click it, click it.
Clickety click, 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 click.